How to add certificate on LinkedIn. First of all, go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Here, tap on the Add Section button as shown. Scroll down and tap on Recommended. Now, select Add Licenses and Certification. You can now add in your certificate details over here. For example, name, issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, and more. You can also add skills or media if you want. Once you're done, tap on Save at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily add certificate on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.